So today, our topic of discussion is United Nations Environment Program. যাক আমি কওঁ UNEP. So United Nations Environment Program, what is this exactly? So, recently this United Nations Environment Program is celebrating 15th anniversary in 2022. So, hetu karone etu bahut important ho jai. So, for this is very important. Obviously, from the name itself, it is clear that it is dealing with some environment protection programs. So, this UNEP, its headquarter location is Nairobi, Kenya. So we have to remember that quote UNEP headquarter আছে Nairobi, Kenya. আৰু এইটো কেতিয়া ফাউণ্ড কৰা হৈছিল? It was founded in 5th June 1972. আকৌ এবাৰ কৈছো United Nations Environment Program, that is UNEP, headquarter is Nairobi, Kenya, and was founded in 5th June 1972. Now let's talk about that. Why and what are the needs of this UNEP? So we got it that it was founded in 1972 following the landmark UN conference on the human environment. A UN conference on human environment, এই কনফাৰেন্সখনৰ ওপৰৰ পৰা মানে কনফাৰেন্সখনৰ আউটকাম হিচাপে এই UNEP-টো ফাউণ্ড কৰা হৈছিল 1972. Then UNEP was conceived to monitor the state of the environment, inform policy making with science, and coordinate responses to the world's environmental challenges. So, মই যেনেকৈ ক'লো অলপ দেৰি আগতে UNEP obviously আমাৰ environment protectionৰ ওপৰত related এটা সংস্থা, মানে এটা সংস্থা বা এটা প্ৰগ্ৰেম বুলি ক'ব পাৰে। So, ইয়াত সেইবিলাক পলিচি মেকিং কৰা হয় যিটোৰ জৰিয়তে আমি কি কৰিব পাৰো যে আমাৰ পৃথিৱী ৱৰ্ল্ডৰ যিখিনি এনভাইৰনমেণ্টেল চেলেঞ্জেছ আহিছে সেইবিলাকৰ লগত আমি কি কৰিব পাৰো তাৰ এগেইনষ্টে আমি থিয় দিব পাৰো, ৰাইট? So UNEP always deal with in those policies which are required to deal with the world's environmental challenges. Now, what are the reports? Etu eta bahute important question ba ahi thake je etu report kuntue publish kore, like আমি জানো এটো দেখিছো আমি APSC আৰু UPSC প্ৰশ্ন পেপাৰ বিলাকত। সো ইয়াত UNEPৰ মেজৰ ৰিপৰ্টছ খিনি হৈছে এমিশন গ্যাপ ৰিপৰ্ট, গ্লোবাল এনভাইৰনমেন্ট আউটলুক, frontiers, invest into healthy planet. Is a global environment outlook or invest into a healthy planet and emission gap report. এই তিনটাৰ ওপৰত যে কুৱেশ্যন আহিয়ে থাকে। So which publishes global environment outlook? So that is UNEP. Which publishes emission gap report? That is UNEP. Okay, the question will be like this. Then major campaigns are beat pollution, UN75, World Environment Day, Wild for Life. These are the major campaigns. Now, a small question to you that when we observe World Environmental Day or World Environment Day, so বিশ্ব পৰিৱেশ দিৱস World Environment Day আমি কি তাৰিখে উদযাপন কৰো আপোনালোকে কমেন্ট কৰি জনাবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। আমি এটো গম পালো যে UNEP লগতে ৰিলেটেড এখিনি আৰু ইয়াৰ ভিতৰত ইম্পৰ্টেন্ট হৈছে UN75, World Environment Day, and Wild for Life. Now, কি achieve কৰিছে? Achievements. Since its creation, UNEP has worked closely with its 193 member states. Yes, UNEP has 193 member states and other stakeholders to galvanize worldwide commitments and coordinated action to address many of the world's most pressing environmental challenges. Okay, so যেতিয়া আমি ক্ৰিয়েট কৰা হৈছিল এইটো এইখন যিখন কনফাৰেন্সৰ আউটকাম হিচাপে UN কনফাৰেন্সৰ এখন আউটকাম আছিল এইটো UNEP, তেতিয়াৰ পৰা ই কি কৰিছিল সেই গোটেইখিনি এনভাইৰনমেন্টেল চেলেঞ্জেছ যিখিনি আহি আছে তাৰ এগেইনষ্টত বহুতখিনি কাম কৰি আহিছে। It also played as a leading role as a docking station for 15 multilateral environmental agreements. Then key milestones and timeline. এই timeline খিনি বহুত important হয়। 1972, Maurice Strong is elected Maurice Strong is elected as the first head of UNEP. Again, MCQ may come. Who was the first head of UNEP? So Maurice Strong. Then 1973, UNEP opens first headquarters on 2nd October at the Kenyatta International Convention Center. Then 1973, leaders sign convention for the prevention of pollution from ship. Okay, then 1973, states adopt convention on international trade in endangered species of wild fauna and flora, that is CITES. So CITES become a UNEP administered multilateral environmental agreement in 1984. So CITES, so jitu neki ami agor eta lecture discuss kori aisu. CITES stands for Convention on International Trade in Endangered Species of Wild Fauna and Flora. So etu eta UNEP re administered multilateral environment agreement hoy jitu ki ami start korisilu 1984. Then 1974 World Environment Day, make its divorce. Okay, answer to etia pai jabo apnaloke. 1974 World Environment Day to start hoy. The world celebrates the first World Environment Day organized by UNEP on 5th June under the theme Only One Earth. So monot rakhibo, we have to remember the first World Environment Day was organized when? In 1974. And on which date? 5th June. And what was the theme of the first World Environment Day? That was Only One Earth. Okay. Then 1974, Regional Seas Program established. 1976, the Convention for the Protection of Mediterranean Sea Against Pollution was adopted on 16 February 1976 in Barcelona and entered into force in 1978, which is famously known as Barcelona Convention. And 1979, states adopt Convention on Migratory Species, that is also known as Bonn Convention. Very important. 1979, the states adopt Convention on Migratory Species, that is known as Bonn Convention. So a question pot apnalokole disu je Bonn Convention was associated with what? So it was associated with migratory species of birds, right? Migratory species, sorry. And it was adopted in 1979. So this is sufficient. You have to know about UNEP. So UNEP because jimankhini etia discuss korilu, that is sufficient. And the MCQs also, I have told you that what are the MCQs, possible MCQs that may come. And this year for exams like APSC and APSC, for instance, that is the very important topic, as this year it is the 15th anniversary of, that is 50th anniversary of United Nations Environment Program. So আশা কৰো এই ভিডিওটোৰ পৰা আপোনালোক লাভদায়ক হৈছে। যদি হসাকে হৈছে তেন্তে চেনেলটো সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিবলৈ নাপাহৰিব। আমি আকৌ সোনকালে লগ পাম এটা নতুন লেকচাৰ ভিডিঅ'ত। তেতিয়ালৈকে টেক কেয়াৰ, বাই বাই, জয় অসম।